Dear students, today we will start about a new topic, that is torque. Okay, torque in electric field. So before coming to our topic, that is torque, we will discuss about that is dipole moment. It is very important that we should know about the dipole moment before discussing about the torque. So what is dipole moment? See. So for dipole moment, we must know what is electric dipole. Electric dipole. So the definition of electric dipole is when two charges of same magnitude two charges of same magnitude but opposite in nature. Opposite in nature are separated by some small distance. Okay, small distance. This arrangement of these two oppositely charged, these two oppositely charges is called electric dipole. This arrangement is called electric dipole. Okay, this arrangement is called electric dipole. See how? Suppose we have two charges. Suppose this is one charge and this is your another charge. This is your plus Q charge. Suppose. Okay. It may be of any of the magnitude. It may be of 1 microcoulomb, 2 microcoulomb, 3 microcoulomb. So these two charges, they are separated, okay, by some very small distance. Let this distance be 2a. Okay, you can also take it a also. How do we take as this 2a? So that for our mathematical equation, it becomes a bit easy. Okay, so this is suppose we take this is the center point of. So from here to here this is A and this is your another. So it will be 2A. This arrangement of these two oppositely charges, okay, where they are of the same magnitude, and this arrangement is called electric dipole. This is called electric dipole. Okay, right? I think it is understood what is electric dipole. And the next is so our next topic will be that is electric dipole moment. What is electric dipole moment? Okay, electric dipole moment. Electric dipole moment. This electric dipole moment is electric dipole moment. Okay, so we have this symbol for it. That is capital P. It is represented by capital P. Electric dipole moment is the symbol for this dipole moment is that is capital P. Now this P, electric dipole moment is P equals to 2A. Okay, 2A into magnitude of any of the charges. That is P equals to 2A Q. This is called electric dipole moment. It means what the product of the magnitude of any one charge with the distance between the two charges, with the arrangement of these two charges. This is called electric dipole moment. I think it is very clear what is electric dipole and what is electric dipole moment. Now next is Next is that is torque. Okay, so we'll discuss about torque. Next is torque. Torque. In class 11th, you also learn about what is torque, but that is in relation with the mechanical force. So I think you all know what is the meaning of the torque. The torque is what? It is a rotation. To torque you can say it is a rotational force. Okay. It means what? When you apply the force and the things get rotate. Okay. So this rotational force is called a torque. Suppose I have this, and I am going to apply force here, and it will start rotating like this. Okay, so the rotational force, that is called the torque. Okay, suppose you have your door which has a hinge which is fixed at one point, and from another side, another end, suppose you start moving it like this. Suppose this is a door, so you have to rotate. Okay, it starts rotating at this hinge, so this is called torque. But what is the meaning of torque in the electric field? That's the name. This is another important thing. Okay, suppose I place an electric dipole in electric field, right? So how it will be? It starts rotating. That electric, the arrangement of the two oppositely charged, which are same in the magnitude. Let it be. Suppose this is uniform electric field. This is uniform electric field. Okay. Why this uniform electric field? Because you see the space between these two, these all the parallels, they are equal. They are placed equally. So that's why it is a uniform electric field. And this is your non-uniform electric field. If there is arrangement like this is called non-uniform. This one. You see the spacing between these electric field lines. In this they are equal, but they are not equal. It means what? This is a uniform field. This is non-uniform electric field. So we will study about the electric dipole and place in uniform electric field as well as in non-uniform electric field one by one. But first we will learn about how the electric when the torque is placed, or when this dipole is placed in the electric field, then what will be its effect. See, suppose I place an electric dipole here. These are the two charges. Okay, this is your plus Q charge. This here I placed, and minus Q charge here I placed. Okay, we know that the distance about this is A and this is B. Okay, now distance between them is 2A. This is 2A. Okay, that we have already studied. Right now, अभी हमने इसके बारे में भी स्टडी किया था. So this is your plus Q, this is your minus Q, and it is placed in a uniform electric field. This is your electric field E. Okay, electric field E. This is electric field E. Okay, because electric field is a vector quantity, so I denote it with vector sign, electric field. Okay, this is plus Q and this is the minus. This is your plus Q. Now I draw a perpendicular from here these 2 points and let it be O. Okay, this be O. Now, by the definition of that this torque, what is the definition of torque? It's very important. But before that, we know that how the force is applied here, right? Okay, suppose here one force is applied, and here also one force is applied. Because we know that force equals to, that is Q into E. Okay, force equal to Q into E. This formula here, force is Q into E. So here the two forces are here. One is your minus Q into E, okay, Q into E, and this is your plus Q into E. This is plus Q into E. Okay. Let this be F1. Let this force we take. This is your F1 force, and let this be your F2 force. इसका F2 force ले लेते हैं, F1 F2. But you see the two forces, they are opposite. One is towards towards the right hand, and another is towards the left hand. Okay. So we see the net force will be, what is the net force? Really important. Net force will be what? What is the net force which act on this dipole? The net force on this dipole is what? That is F1 plus F2.
course, F1 plus F2. Okay, so F1 is what? That is your minus QE. Okay, this is your minus QE. Plus another is your, that is your plus QE. This is your plus QE. Okay, plus QE. So it will be 0. So net force will be what? That is 0. So this is very important. If you write this much, if it's of 3 marks, you will get 1 marks here. So this is very important one. So each and every step is very important. So F naught equals to F net equals to 0. So it means what? With this dipole, electric dipole will experience 0 force on it. Okay, it will experience 0 force. Now, the next comes, that is we are talking about what? Electric torque. What is torque? By the definition of the torque, we know that torque is what? Torque is, it is so what is torque? Torque is what? The force, the magnitude of force and the perpendicular distance between the two forces. This is called the difference of the torque. That means what? Magnitude of any one force. Magnitude, this you must learn. ये आपको याद होना चाहिए. Magnitude of any force. Okay, any force multiply by perpendicular distance. Okay, perpendicular distance between them. Okay. So magnitude of one force is what? That is QE. Okay, it may be minus or plus. So we will get the result, that is whatever. Okay, so suppose this is plus minus what you take, that is QE. Okay, multiply by perpendicular distance means is what? See, here this force is towards this side and force is towards this side. So this force is towards this side and this is towards the right side. So perpendicular distance here is what? This one. Okay, this is not perpendicular distance. This is your perpendicular distance between them, right? This one. Suppose I have this force one is here and force is like this here. So perpendicular distance is this one. Okay, there is a normal distance. So that is what? OB. Okay, I think it's clear. So now we will come here. Next one is, after this step, it will be, this is torque. So torque equals to QE. Magnitude plus minus whatever, it will give always plus. That is Q into E into OB. So here what is OB? You see here OB. So I just draw it here. Okay, यहाँ मैं आपको बना के बताता हूँ उसको. This one. Okay, here. This is your 2E. Electric field is in this direction. That means what? This dipole will be placed with respect to electric field. So this will be your theta. We take this as theta. This is A, this is B, and this is O. So OB is what? See, this one is your 90 degree. Okay, this is perpendicular. This is base. So P upon H. So OB will be what? That is AB sin theta. So OB क्या हो जाएगा? AB sin theta. Okay. So this is QE. QE again we write QE. And what is AB? AB is your 2A. 2A sin theta. Okay. So now we can again we rearrange it. So it will be 2A Q. Okay, into E sin theta. So it will be, it is your P. Okay. 2AQ is what? It is electric dipole moment. So we denote it by P. This is your E. Okay. PE sin theta. Okay. PE sin theta. So this is, because it is sin theta, so it is a vector quantity, it's a product of the two vector quantities. So P is also vector quantity, E is also vector quantity. So it will be what? P, vector P cross E. This is cross product because it's a sin theta here. Okay, you will learn about this. You studied about it in your class 11. So this is your torque. So if the product of the two vector quantities will give you always a vector. Okay, so this is the final formula for the torque. If this is a dot, you know that the product of the two vectors, if there is a dot, okay, then it will be a scalar quantity. But here it is a cross product. That's why it will be a vector quantity. For this, if you leave it here only, then you will lose half marks. If you write it in this is a right form of it. Okay. If you write it, then you will get a half marks for this. Okay. So if this for the this question carry 3 marks, then 1 marks for the, you have to show for the zero force which act on it, and half marks for this proper notation of this
electric torque, which is placed on E. Okay, so this is about the electric torque.